Hey guys, welcome back. I'm coming on to do my third layout for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club for this March 2023 set of kits. I am starting with the Burnished Limitless Kit and all kinds of a la carte goodies because the stuff is just too good to not use. So let me show you my photo and then we're going to find a direction here. Here's my son and he was power washing and spraying and all that kind of stuff at his godmother's house. So this is her garage door and he is working on it. Right here that you don't see is my friend's dad teaching him all of the things. So liked that photo, and when you see this piece of paper with the scuffy paint, it looks like it is made for it. This is Minte Garage Collection paper number 1. So definitely am planning on using that. Now I do love it with this paper here. This is 49 Market Serenity Brief Glimpse. And then I'm also a sucker for this paper here. It's garage paper number 2. I love like this rusted tailgate kind of vibe. And there is a scene on the other side. So what I'm thinking, gotta see if it's what I'm gonna do. Oh, look, it says Woodward, and yeah, there's a Woodward by our house. I'm thinking of something like this right now, but I'm also thinking I want all of this stuff to show. So what if, guys, I'm just gonna go for it. What if I tore this willy-nilly, right? Got some willy-nilly on it. I'm going to put it on here, and then I'm going to go ahead and mat it to the tailgate looking paper. I'm doing that because I want this, but I've got this idea, like, wouldn't it be cute if all kinds of things were along the seam sticking up and you can see all of the pretties. Now we also have, where is it? This really great alpha set. It is Pink Fresh Spring Vibe, so I can bring that in. We have all of these great things. So let me get these bits down. I'm going to find or decide on what papers to mat my photo with out of this 6x8 add-on paper pack because I want all of the fun patterns. So super masculine, super beautiful product, and I think we need to put it all together. So let me get these pieces down, and I gotta pick out some papers for my photo, and I'll be right back. So I went ahead with this 49 Market paper, and I cut it to 11.5 by 11.5, and I grabbed a pair of scissors and scuffed it up a little bit, and now I'm just kind of making some bendy bits because my photo has kind of, you know, I guess like manly dirty work. So I'm like, all right, let's just go for it and make it all just a little bit distressed. I think that's super fun. So I'm going to have the darker part go towards the bottom. We've got the wordy bits. Oh, I've got to trim the bottom of this tailgate paper just a little bit better. There we go. So we have that. Now, the next piece is this one right here, and yeah, I want to trim it to 11.5 as well and do the same kind of treatment with it. So thought I'd show you a bit of what I'm about, a bit of a play-by-play. A few of you liked the slightly longer video that I had previously done for this kit club, so I'm like, okay, let's go ahead and do so. So let's see. So this needs to go to 11.5. That's what I had to do. Go ahead and get it right there. And I will do the same scuffing and bending and all that kind of thing and get this piece popped down. I need to mat my photo a few times. I'll show you the papers I use for that. So I found a few papers and I was like, all right, let's see what we can do. So definitely have got to use the wood grain as my son is working with that. And then I'm thinking something kind of like this. I like the 3 different patterns. Of course, I'll scuff them up and all of that, and I'll pop them up on a bit of dimensional adhesive. Then pretty much the back of this will be fully done, and I just get to pick out some of these gorgeous bits to line the rest of the layout. I do have to come up with a title too. Gonna have to think on that one. I decided to change, guys, no, I love this. All right, I'm gonna have 4 formats because look at how cool this looks for my photo. I love it. Okay, I just had to add this one as well. Super pretty. Oh, guys, what do I do? If I went like this could be my last pattern and it will show up better against this. Okay, that's the order we're gonna do it in. I'm just bringing you along for the ride. My matting over and over and over again ride. Okay, when I saw this was the back cover of those 6x8 papers. It was just perfect for the subject. I rather like this direction we're going in. I usually have my photo down here, so I thought opposite day would be good. Why not, right? Now I've got the cutest little tools that are in here, so I want to definitely tuck them into my clusters. I've got these gorgeous little photo corners. Oh my goodness, look at how cute those are. So that will be perfect on my photo. And remember, we've got our Pink Fresh alphas. So I think the first thing I should do is get these pieces kind of, I think I should get them tacked down and then I can start adding the other little bits. Otherwise, yeah, I might have some kind of like craft avalanche situation. So why don't we do that? Now, is there anything else I want to pop in here before I get all of this down? Let me take a look. You know what I might do? I'm gonna grab this gorgeous stencil that we have right here. And I think what I wanna do is grab this. I'm going to get this prize ribbon Distress Oxide, and in the background behind these tools and these pieces, I'm going to go ahead and get some of these gears on there. That I think is what I need. I need just a little something extra. So let me do that really quickly. Then I'm going to get all these things popped on. But then it just occurred to me, you might be like, well, I want to see you put some of that on. Yes, let me get a new brush. Got a nice little handy dandy blending brush. Going to just get a little bit of this product, and it's kind of nice. I didn't totally stick this down, so I can go kind of like this and just get bits of that down, and I think it'll be really pretty just having a little something showing through. See, like that. Okay, I'm gonna go all the way across. Well, you know, not where the photo goes. I now have stuff absolutely everywhere on my desk, guys. I am a hot mess. I have these pieces down. Now, what I want to do, let me see if I have this good adhesive, these little dot things I have. Are these the little ones? These are the micros. Well, the micros might work. So I've got these little dots, and I know you can't even see them, but they're little tiny gluey, oh, you can see a little bit there, gluey bits, and I thought that might be a good thing to add to these little metal pieces, so I can just go ahead and tuck them here and there, and it's going to add to the silver. I love the silver on the photo corners. I think it is perfect for this. Perfect. So I'm gonna just keep going. I'm gonna keep adding all of these little bits so I can have silver showing here, there, and everywhere. Hey Dude, Universal Workshop are currently down here. I'm going to come up with a title. I'm just not quite there yet. I'm working on it in my head, brewing around a little bit, but how fun, guys, are all of these little touches that are in here. Let's go ahead and pop this nice silver hammer in here. Cute. Now I have 2 more pieces, so I better just go ahead and use them up. And feeling like it's a good idea to have them down here. Oops, which way should it go? Oh, it goes that way. Whoops. So I've got this little hoe and a little hacksaw. They're so cute, like cute little hacksaw. When have you said that? So I'm gonna go ahead and I don't even know. Oh, this is a good spot for this. Next to, well, nah, next to these pieces? I don't know. Okay, let me come up with a title and I will be right back. Oh, I want to show you the mixed media bits that are right behind the tools. I think it really adds some fun, good stuff there. Just yet another bit of blue, and it looks like gears, all that kind of stuff. Okay. Title idea. How about fix it? I think that would be good because I can have it go right around this little circular bit right here. Fix it. I should. All right, I'm going to go off camera because it's really boring to watch me do this part, but I'm going to go with my title right around this circular bit. At this point, I think I just want to go ahead and grab a few sequins, a couple of splatters to add to the paintiness of this, and then I'm going to be done. But I thought I'd show you for now how fun those little metal pieces are sticking out of the toolbox. Kind of, you know, they grab your eye. The metallic silvery bits totally grab your eye, and I think that they are a brilliant addition. All right, so a few sequins, a few splatters. Guys, this is going to be done. This is going to be done so quickly. I cannot believe how quick this layout came together. But these kits are curated for you to just start going off and making all your pretty goodies come together. So I will show you the finished layout in just 1 second, but I'm digging it. I'm so digging it. So I'm going to just go ahead and add some splatters with this Nuvo Mica Mist. It is in Midnight Horizon, and it's similar to the Distress Oxide, but you do get this really beautiful metallic from it. And I will just go right from the bottle and get some splatters on here. You get, it dries so beautifully. So I thought that was going to be just the ticket to go around in here and bring a little bit of mixed media from the back to the front. And I realized I wanted to use my Nuvo drops. They're crystal drops, and the color of the crystal drops they're metallic, by the way, are navy blue. I'm going to add just a few of the crystal drops as well because I like the dimension that they give us. And I did end up going with the title, Mr. Fix-It, because it fit. I was pretty excited about that. I'm going to get just a little bit of splatters onto those letters, bring it all together. Okay, guys, I'm going to add just a couple Nuvo drops, and that will be that. I will have links down below for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, the blog, and the Facebook group. Let me bring this up. Show it to you really quickly again, and that, my friends, is that. Such a great kit and a la carte goodies to play with. I thought it was super, super fun. All right, guys, I'll be back ever so soon with another video. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, still shots right there.